Have you ever wondered what the future of hybrid SUVs looks like? Well, you're in for a treat. Today we're diving deep into the 2025 Audi Q3 Hybrid, a vehicle that promises to redefine luxury and eco-friendliness. Stick around as we explore its stunning exterior design, cutting-edge features, and everything you need to know about this upcoming release. Let's kick things off with the front view of the 2025 Audi Q3 Hybrid. The first thing you'll notice is the prominent hexagonal single-frame grille, a signature Audi design element. Flanked by sleek angular LED headlights, this grille not only enhances the car's aggressive look, but also improves aerodynamics. Below the headlights, large air intakes are strategically placed to cool the hybrid powertrain, ensuring optimal performance. The hood features contoured lines that add to the vehicle's aerodynamic profile, making it both stylish and efficient. Moving to the rear, the 2025 Audi Q3 Hybrid continues to impress. The sleek LED taillights stretch across the width of the vehicle, emphasizing its modern design. The Audi logo is prominently displayed in the center, reinforcing the brand's identity. The rear bumper includes a diffuser with dual exhaust tips on each side, hinting at the car's performance capabilities. The black trim around the windows and lower body contrasts beautifully with the deep metallic blue paint, adding a touch of elegance. Excited to get your hands on the 2025 Audi Q3 Hybrid? Mark your calendars. This highly anticipated model is set to hit the showrooms in early 2025. Stay tuned for more updates as we get closer to the release date. The design philosophy behind the 2025 Audi Q3 Hybrid is a blend of elegance and functionality.